because it's simple, but it's red. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another haul. If you're new here, my name is Fantasy. I do videos on makeup, hair, fashion, the whole 9 yards, and I hope that by the end of this video you decide to join the Fantasy family. This video is sponsored by Club London, and thank you Club London for sponsoring this video. They sent me a couple of pieces for me to try out to show you guys, okay? I understand that it's sponsored, but all these opinions is mine, okay? Mine. Yeah, so without further ado, before I chit chat, because y'all know I love to do that, let's get into this video. Okay, so the first item that we have is this velvet navy cape sleeve midi dress. This dress is like nothing that I have in my closet, like whatsoever. I love this dress just because it just gives like posh, clean, expensive, like it's simple, but the sleeve, the cape really does like, really elevates the dress. And it also has ruching on the sides of the dress as well as the back of the dress. I'm not sure if you guys can see, let me get closer. If you guys see that ruching on the back of the dress, it really does shape the body and it just creates illusion of hips, of curves and all of that. And I just love dresses that just have ruching because it just looks, it flatters my body very well. The shoulders don't have, well, it has a soft shoulder pad, but not like super bulky. I hate shoulder pads that are like so super structured. Like it does, I already have broad shoulders and I don't need anything to make my shoulders look any more broad than it already is. I would wear this to like a woman empowerment event or like even a date night or a wedding guest. Like this is, you know what I mean? Or like a welcome party. Like this is really like, is giving, you know what I mean? It's a bit expensive. It's giving first lady, you know. I had to pop it on with some heels because it's like I cannot show y'all this dress without showing y'all how it looks, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna leave the links to this item down below. I got this in a size, I believe I got it in a UK 6, so that's a US 8. No, I got it in a US 6, so that's a UK 8, I believe. If I'm not mistaken, I'm almost sure because that's usually the sizes that I get. It has a lot of stretch, like it's very, very forgiving. If I had got a size 4, I feel like it would fit me just as fine. But it looks really, really good. It shapes the body very, very well. But yeah, you know, it's like, and I feel like it doubles as like a scarf. Like if I'm cold and I just want to like, ooh. These pieces I picked out myself, so I definitely saw this and I was like, you know what, this cape thing is different. I haven't seen anything like this before and I would definitely want to see how it looks. I love this type of stuff. Like this is definitely different and out of my element, but it just gives fancy, it gives classy, it gives sophisticated, it feels grown woman. Okay, let's go on to the next item. Okay, the next item is this long maxi beautiful black dress, one sleeve black dress. It has like a mermaid leg going on. Definitely something that you will wear to a more fancier occasion. Like I said, it would be like a wedding guest type of vibe or anything like that. What I love about this is as simple but yet, you know, sexy as it looks in the front. The back is it, okay? And the quality is so amazing. Like this is not see-through at all. Like there's literally, it's double lined so you cannot see anything through that, and it's just such a cute dress. Like it's one of those like black dresses. I feel like black dresses, if you keep them simple, the simpler they are, the better. Like this is one of those dresses that is very simple, but it gets the job done, okay? This is just one of those pieces. I just, y'all know how I feel about clothes. Like, baby, please. Where would I wear this? I'll definitely wear this, like I said, maybe as like a wedding guest or where else? A luncheon, something very sophisticated, something like a holiday party. Like this is perfect for holiday season, like a holiday party, you know, or Thanksgiving party, I don't know, something like that. But this is one of those pieces. Like I said, it is very comfortable. It's for you guys, so you guys can have reference. I am a 34, 27, 41 around the hips. just so you guys have reference. And I did get this also in a size 6 as well, a US size 6, UK size 8. But yeah, this is really cute. I love the length. I love that it's not too long and I can get away with wearing very high heels, but it still covers my ankles and the base of my foot. You really only get like the peekaboo moment at the bottom. You can wear shorter heels if you want this to be closer to the floor. I love like the mermaid effect that it has to it. But yeah, that is this piece. Let's go on to the next one. So this next item is this red dress. It is a MIDI halter neck dress, like very sexy. Like all of these pieces are just giving like grown women. It's giving date night. It's giving sophisticated. It's giving like sexy, but like not overly sexy. Once again, not see-through. It has like a double lining, and it also has the ruching that's on the sides as well as the ruching on the back as well, so it does accentuate the curves a lot, which I love. The halter has like a gold clip back here. But yeah, this is the piece. I just love it. I don't have a lot of red dresses, but this is like the red dress. Like if I had a red dress, this would be the red dress, because red is such a bold color. Like you don't have to do a lot when you wear red. You just have to like wear the dress. Like the dress doesn't wear you, you wear the dress. And when you are dark skinned or anything and you wear red, this paired with like a red lip, like do a whole red moment, like with some red shoes, it just, you walk in feeling like that girl. There's no denying it. Like literally you exude confidence, you exude and grab everyone's attention when you walk into the room. Like this is that type of dress, because it's simple, but it's red, okay? And it just, like I said, it accentuates your curves, it does everything. So it's just, this is it. This is it, bruh, I can't. This is the other, come on phones, what am I saying? This is the next piece. It is another black dress. And I love dresses that are different than like a lot of like typical dresses. So this like neckline, I have not seen a combo like this like at all. It shows a bit of cleavage, not a lot of cleavage, and you know, a little bit of under boob, a little bit, and then it has like this one shoulder effect that also drapes around your arm here. You just kind of put your arm through, and that drapes all the way around to the back. Let me align this properly. To the back. So this is how it ends up looking. Just very nice. I don't know, like it's just such a, I don't have much to say. Like these dresses are just, they're speaking for themselves. Like I don't really have much to say about them, and it just does what it needs to do. Like it's just giving what it needs to get. The body is bodying, the dress is dressing, okay? The cleavage is cleavaging. It's just doing what it needs to do. Next one. When I seen this jumpsuit, I didn't think that it would look like this on me, but I knew I wanted it because it was brown, and I was like, okay, this looks like it has a little bit of potential. Maybe this got more than potential. This has more than potential. Like it fully exceeds any type of thought that I had about this. Like, excuse me, like it looks amazing, and it has like this tie around detail around the waist, and then you tie it in the back, and the zipper is on the side and not the back, and then it has like the V-cut obviously with like the blazer panels. Is that what you call these? Like the little blazer panels, sleeveless. And then it also has like this open leg thing. Usually you see this like on the sides, I mean in the front, but I've never seen it on the side before. And I like it on the side because it gives boot cut. You know what I mean? Like it kind of gives like straight leg. It doesn't make it super skinny. And then sometimes I be feeling like when it's in the front, it just is not always appealing personally for me. Like it just kind of, I don't know. Like I feel like it's been overdone so much, like with it being in the front. And usually it's like I either see it in the front or on the outside sides, never on the insides, which is a little different. And it kind of gives like this peekaboo, like, ooh, you know, like it just adds a little like oomph to it. It fits very amazing. Like it really hugs the body and shapes the body. Like when I tell you it's shaping me right now, like shaping me. I don't have no body shaper on. I tried all of these pieces on with none of my body shapers. You guys know how I love Spanx. but this is really it. And I love how like form-fitting it is, because it's also holding my breast up. Like I usually would put on like boob tape or something like that, but because this fits me so well and it's literally structured perfectly, like literally perfectly, I don't need to worry about there being like a nip slip or anything like that. So I would definitely do like this piece. All of the links to these items will be down below, so please make sure to check that out. And this one right here is my favorite one, because I would wear this anywhere. Like I would wear it on a girls' night, I'll wear it on brunch, I'll wear it to a birthday event. Like it's so many places that you can wear something like this and get away with it. It's just like so many occasions, you know what I mean? Like I just love this. And brown on brown has just been like my thing lately. But yeah, I mean, there's not much else to say about it. I don't know if I even have this going on the right way. I think I do. I'm not 100% sure. This is kind of like how it was. But I also like this string part that is around here, because I do feel like you're able to kind of shape your waist and make it a little bit smaller. So it kind of gives that Coca-Cola body shape going on. So yeah, Club London, you definitely did your thing. So let me change up our angle and let's do our outro. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video and enjoyed watching the pieces on me, okay? This is what I'm here for. I'm here to try on pieces so you don't have to. That's the whole point of my hauls. So while you're watching this, I hope that you had jotted down which one you wanted to get. Let me know down below what items where's your favorite, which one do you plan on buying, which one are you excited to see me in, like really dressed up, okay? And don't forget that all the links to these items are going to be down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the A again, getting under my skin.